What's going on, guys? So, highly requested video topic is how I scan for stocks, how I find upcoming setups that I'm going to play. So, I'm going to make a quick little video about a free software, a free website that offers a great screener. So, Finviz is a free website. They have a mostly free service, but they have probably one of the best sites on the market regarding news, screenings, and a bunch of other services that they provide. So let me just go over Finviz. So at the home screen, they have some of the top gainers, some unusual volume, tickers. So this is a great place to look at just so you can see, what's attracting people, what's going on within the market. So this is a great place to start. They also have a news section where they post articles. Looks like about every minute or so. So this is a great place to see top news, top blogs, just about the general market and anything going on within the market. And then going onto the screener, this is where I can find some decent setups for the upcoming week. And some certain settings that I like to focus on. I like to put the market cap to plus mid, which is over 2 billion, because I don't want to play any penny stocks. Next, I'll go over to average volume. I'll change this to over 1 million. I want to play something with a decent amount of volume. That way, I can get a fill on my contracts, on my commons. I don't want to have to, pay more premium than I have to. So, volume is super important when playing options. Current volume, I'll also change to over 1 million. Super important. And then since I like playing options, I'll change this option short to optionable. That way, everything on this table is, something that I can play options on. So that's 4 different filters that we selected. Also, I always like playing a stock that has a float short, usually above 30%. I like playing short squeezes. It just sets up for a quick move to the upside. It breaks out very nicely. It's very good for options. So playing a stock with a float short over 30% is once it breaks, and it moves quick. So that's why it's great for options. And then I'll go over to technical. And then you could change any of these to your liking. They offer so many different filters. So if you're searching for something super specific, you can find it on here. It's a great platform. But what I like to do is I'll take the pattern filter and I'll just go through, some patterns that I like. So I love playing falling wedges. Falling wedges would be wedge down. So right now, no falling wedges that are strong. If I click wedge down, it comes up with one ticker, VLDR. I can go to charts right here and it will show me the actual full chart. So this is the only ticker that comes up on this scan with the filters that I chose. VLDR, I actually called this play out today, I think. And once I see a ticker, I'll go over to TradingView and I'll chart it myself. I'll see what I like about it and I'll see what happens. So when I came to look at this, I see a cup and handle. We'll go on the daily. I see a cup and handle on the daily with, if I take the fib retracements from the bottom of the cup and handle to the top, we bounce twice at this 0.5 level. 0.5 level is a super important level regarding cup and handles. I can go over some patterns in another video. But it bounced twice, double bottom, and it's also creating an ABCDE correction. And today we actually broke out to the upside. We played a 219 contract, so we have some time. And my target would be the top of this flag or handle. So this play is straight from Finviz. Also, if I don't see any other ones I like, I'll go to a different pattern, triangle ascending or bull flag. I'll see what patterns are on here, see what I like. As you can see, blink comes up. Blink we played, and this was an insane play. Contracts went up almost 1,000%. I actually found this exact setup from Finviz. So as you could see, we have a falling wedge, and we played the break right here, and look at that, shot straight up today. And I wrote the contract out, 129.50 call. I think it was last night, and today it reached about, I think, a little over 1,000 a contract, so 1,000%. So insane play. Caught that from Finviz. And you know what else you could do? You could click the ticker and see what the float short is. The higher the short, potentially the bigger the move. So this one's a 31.8% of the shares outstanding are short. Let's go back. Back to the patterns. You can just keep going through them. CRSR is on here. I'm getting ready to play this one. This one looks pretty good going forward. This one's setting up nicely. Just rejected again. ABCDE correction. Found some support near this yellow line around the 33.76 line. This is a possible wave 1 with a wave 2 pullback. It's setting up for that wave 3 breakout. And this would be my entry point right above that line. If you want to play, a little bit riskier, you can take an entry down here. But I always like being safe than sorry. So this would be a safe entry point, with this being the first price target and this being the second price target. Back to the screener. Again, I just, go through the patterns, see what's going on here, find some setups that I like. Wedges, American Airlines, Workhorse. We played Workhorse. Amazing setup and amazing play. And then I'll go through again. Just keep checking out the different patterns, see what you like. There's always a different setup out there, so there's no need to rush any plays. And every week, this website, gives you different charts and tickers, and there's always new setups. So always play the best setups possible. There's no need to chase just a random ticker out there just because you like it or you hear something about it. Make sure there's a setup behind it. This website also provides, tons of other things. You guys can check this site out. I'll leave a link in the description. But if you have any other questions, regarding screeners or what settings to use, feel free to drop a comment. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you've gotten to this point, comment bull trades is the best. I expect to see some comments saying bull trades is the best. So if you've gotten this far, I really appreciate you staying this far. It means a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.